Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Pythagorean Theorem to find the length of the space diagonal. But first a quick visual. How would I fit this pencil into this box? Would it fit straight up and down? Not quite. What about diagonal? Still a little too long. However, if I were to go ahead and try to open this box, show you the inside, and place the pencil from one corner in the front to one corner in the back, the pencil fits. This is called the space diagonal. Let's do a quick example. Find the length of line D. Well, as you can see, line D is the space diagonal, the pencil from the previous example, and we're going to try to fit that pencil inside of this box diagonally. Well, before we can start using Pythagorean Theorem, I'm going to go ahead and slice the bottom face of the box diagonally. Look what it creates, a right triangle. I'm going to go ahead and shade in this right triangle so you can see it, but remember, this is just half of the bottom face. Off to the side, I'll go ahead and sketch this triangle so you can see it. The right triangle has a height of 10, a base of 6, and do we know the hypotenuse? No, that's an unknown value. Let's call it C. That's what we're trying to find. Let's use Pythagorean Theorem to find the hypotenuse of the right triangle on the bottom of the prism. 6 squared is 36. 10 squared is 100. We'll take C squared and bring it down. 36 plus 100 is 136. And we'll take the square root of both sides to get C by itself. Plug that into our calculator, and approximately the value is 11.66. Okay, so what that is that is the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle on the bottom of the prism. Let's go ahead and write that in just so we can see it. All right, notice we did not find the value of D yet. But what this did create is a right triangle that is standing up inside of the box, significantly larger than the right triangle on the bottom of the box. The height is 15. The base of the triangle is the hypotenuse that we just found, 11.66, and the missing value is D. Let's do it all over again. 11.66 squared, 15 squared equals D squared. Do a little calculator magic. 11.66 squared, 135.9556. 15 squared, 225 equals D squared on the right side. Add them up, and we get 360.9556 equals D squared. At this point, we'll take the square root of both sides. D is by itself. Little calculator magic, 18.9988. Ooh, that's so close. Let's just round up to the nearest whole number. That means about 19 would be the length of that diagonal. So one more time, let's go back to the diagram and just notice that the space diagonal is 19, which is significantly longer than any other measure of the box. Longer than 15, 10, and of course 6 on the bottom. We're done. If you found this video to be helpful, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.